In this video, we're going to show you how to favorite games on Fortnite. All right, so we are now in the Fortnite game. We're in the lobby. So if you want to favorite games, it's very easy. All you need to do is click on the magnifying glass or the search icon here on the top left corner. And then, for example, you want action, right? And for example, you like box fight. And if you want a favorite box fight, all you need to do is click on the heart icon on the right side of the select button, like so. So after that, go back. If you want to see your favorite games, all you need to do is click on the four tiny boxes icon here on the left corner, and you're gonna see the favorites section where your favorite game are at. So yeah, it's that easy. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.